Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we explore our backyard bird feeders. Our cost is your gain. Save money watching our birds. Eat from our lovely bird feeders. You don't even have to refill or maintain them. Just tune in here and watch our birds anytime you get the urge to buy a bird feeder. So good day, folks. We are here at the bird feeder and we are feeding these birds Pennington from the bird feeder. This is wild bird feed, people. It attracts a wide variety of birds. If you look at the back panel, you'll see it attracts cardinals and gold finches. It says it's a favorite. Tilt mice, doves, downy woodpeckers, grosbeaks, and nuthatches. I think we have seen all of those, along with the cardinals and the nuthatches and the finches, and not just the golden finches, but it's got the red adult male house finches and the female finches, and we got them all. They're right here at the bird feeder, like I say. And we did all of this with just a simple bird feeder and some Pennington wild bird feeder. Well, folks, that wraps up today's feeding and viewing of our birds at the bird feeder. I hope you will join us next time for more birds on the Joe Bramlet Birds channel. That's Birds Joe Bramlet on YouTube.